was looking down the coast of Phuket. It's a series of bays on the west coast of the island of Phuket, south of Thailand. Thailand's most popular resort tourist island, and we're coming to land. It's a Jetstar Airbus A320. So just watch the plane coming into land. The rocks there in the sea. Yeah, it's the west coast of Phuket. Series of bays. There's 5 bays all the way. Most of the hotels are on this side of the island. The airport's in the north. Southwest of Thailand. The airport's in the north of the island. It's like one of those bays. See the beach there. All the bay. Airbus A320. Looks like there's a resort there, a bay. Thailand's already popular with tourists, and this is one of the more popular bits. Welcome to Phuket, where the local time is 10 past 9 in the morning, 27 degrees Celsius outside. A clear sunny day. Welcome to Phuket, people. Yeah, we're sitting right at the back of the plane. Statistically, it's the safest place to sit on an airplane. And you also get the best ride when it's turbulent. I don't think that's the control tower. Might be actually, at the end of the runway. Interesting place to put a control tower.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Phuket International Airport. The local time is 9:07 in the morning, and we're pleased to inform you that we are about 10 minutes ahead of schedule. And the temperature outside is approximately 27 degrees Celsius.
What did I
For
say?
your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Take care when opening the overhead compartments, as your baggage may have moved during the flight. If your mobile phones or your portable electronic devices is within reach, you may now switch it on. However, your seatbelt must remain fastened. Do pay attention to our announcements even while you use your devices. We will be using the forward doors to disembark. On behalf of Captain Yen Oliver and the rest of the crew, thank you for choosing to fly with Jetstar. It has been a pleasure having with us today, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you and have a pleasant day ahead.
It's a Jetstar Asia. They code-share with Emirates. Mine's purely Jetstar. Yeah, so welcome to Thailand and welcome to 2016. It's our first holiday of the year. Let's get the camera running till we get to the see the other planes. Yeah, it's an hour and 10 minutes flying from Singapore here. Smooth flight, nice weather, clear day, as you can see. Got 3 nights, 4 days here. Going to the Hilton today. One other place after that. Hilton, it's an hour in the taxi. Karam Bay. It's one of those 5 bays that you saw on the west side of the islands. The plane came to land. That's where we're going next. Look at the wing and scenery. Just gonna take a left here and then emergency services. I see the windsocks, so we were landing into the wind. Pilots always like that. Bit of extra lift so you can slow down even more, smooth landing. If you look at the other side of the window and the other side of the plane, we're actually already here, kind of thing. I think it's going to the last spot, the airport. It's okay. Oh man, just park the plane, right? It's another one of these airports, runways that juts out into the sea like that. Thomas Cook. An A320 there. Yeah, I'm beginning to remember this place now. I came here last time, it was about 2 years ago. It's slowly coming back to me. The fire engine waiting because it's a budget carrier. It's like Air Asia. Phuket. Ready, we're here.